think one of the biggest misunderstandings about recovery is seeing the substance use disorder as a problem, when really many times the substance is the solution to the challenge that is going on in someone's life.
I think the best thing about the court diversion program is that many people that are involved in court diversion have walked in the shoes of the people that are sitting right there in the courtroom today.
I've been in recovery for a little over 10 years, and I know what it's like to lose everything to addiction, but I also know what it's like to get everything back. And my favorite thing about this job and this program is getting to watch you build your life back piece by piece.
It's not about let's take the drugs and alcohol away. It's about what do we need to do to get you to where you want to take the drugs and alcohol away, right? Because, I mean, we don't just start using and drinking for no reason. I mean, there's usually a reason behind it. So we want to figure out what reason that is and work on it. We
started our reentry and diversion program in the fall of 2023. We used grant money to start this program after recognizing the need to support individuals who are involved with the court system in our communities. With this grant money, we've been able to build a wraparound program that involves services ranging from peer support to treatment, employment, and education. And really what it is we can totally provide comprehensive wraparound care that provides accountability as well as the supports necessary to allow people to re-enter the community and live successfully. I think what makes our program different from the traditional approaches is that we are focused on recovery and treatment. Most traditional approaches are more punitive based, meaning there's lots of punishment and negative consequences for slip-ups, but actually in our team are very much focused on if someone has a slip-up or even relapses, we think of that as an opportunity to engage more intensely. It's like, what can we do to provide more support and more care for you to reduce the chance that you'll have another relapse?
What does a second chance really mean to me? A second chance is building a life that I don't have to run from, or I try to avoid. A second chance to me is everything, because without my second chance, I wouldn't be where I am right now.
So whenever we first come into contact with people in our program, it's usually a pretty vulnerable time. They're trying to navigate the court system. They're trying to figure out how to get over the substance abuse, the addiction, and it's a very confusing time. We try to sit down with them, give them advice, give them access to counseling, substance abuse treatment, meetings. We try to help them with transportation, housing, work programs, getting into schools, things that can really help them become a productive member of society and just feel like they have purpose.
Man, have we had people that have failed the program? We have. But we've had more people become successful out of the program. We're taking people who didn't have homes, didn't have driver's license, didn't have a dollar to their name, and was living off the government, to now being successful within our communities, being products of what this program has proven. And if there's one word that sums up what this program does, it's success.
Since launching the program, we've served over 115 individuals in Southeast Oklahoma. And out of those individuals, only a small handful have got new charges since being in the program. Our recidivism rate is less than 10%, and that's a number that we're really proud of. Many of the individuals that you see in these photos are people that have graduated or people that are still in the program. They're sober, they're working, they're going to school, they've got their driver's license, they're rebuilding relationships with their families, and they're living a life that they can be proud of. And as someone who's been in recovery for over 10 years, I can tell you that change is possible, but it helps to have the right support and the right resources, and that's what we're here for.